खण खात्यात 15, पोलीस खात्यात 6, प्रॉसिक्युशनात उपसंचालकांची 2 कंत्राटी पदां भरपाक मंत्रिमंडळान मान्यताय दिल्या. पशुपालन आणि पशुसंवर्धन महाविद्यालयाच्या प्राचार्य पदार डी. आंतोनियो हांची कंत्राट पद्धतीर नेमणूक जाल्या म्हण मुखेलमंत्री डॉ. सावंत हांणी माहिती दिल्या. RDX गोवा ब्युरो रिपोर्ट.
Appointment of the assistant mining engineer, junior geologist, junior mining engineer, head surveyor and field surveyor on the contract basis. The Directorate of the Mines and Geology till the filling of new post. Total post तीन 15 post contract basis till the filling of new post. Proposal of the filling of the one post of the assistant professor in psychiatric nursing on contract basis in the Institute of the Psychiatric and Human Behavior Bamboli for the period of 1 year or the till the filling of the permanent post. There is an amendment for the term mining policy. A glance or rectification करपा खातीर amendment केल्लो आसा. Term policy ची सुविधा दिल्या जाता खातीर.
कितें amendment आसा?
Streamline करपा खातीर. Okay. Creation of the 2 regular post for the deputy director of the prosecutions and under 2 regular posts of the deputy director of the prosecution under the director of prosecution. The main post taken that. Proposal for the creation of the 6 additional posts of the senior scale officer in the superintendent of the police of the Goa Police Service in the Goa Police Department. It is an approval of the engaging services of the Dr. D. Antonio, the principal of the Goa College of the Veterinary and कॉन्ट्रॅक्ट बेसिसचेर आमी घेतला. नवीन वेटरनरी कॉलेज सुरू करता त्याच्या खातीर ती कॉलेज सुरू करपा खातीर.
कोण म्हणून
प्रिन्सिपल म्हणून घेतला. इट इज एक्स रिटायर्ड प्रिन्सिपल फ्रॉम बायसन हाडला स्पेशली ताका कॉलेज ओपन करपाक. डी. एंटोनियो